Good morning, dear hearts. We are now on lesson 62. Please subscribe. As I did last year and yesterday, I will be weaving in some of our previous lessons into the current ones. Today we have 4 that will find and make little cameo appearances into today's lesson. Today's lesson is, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Yesterday's lesson was that I am the light of the world. Okay, I'm the light of the world. But now what do I do with that? Well, today's lesson is obviously a continuation because it tells me that forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. This is what I am here to do. I am here to forgive. It is your forgiveness that will bring the world of darkness to the light. In our review of lesson 46, so maybe that's even an extra one that I'm bringing in, we had this beautiful line that told us that forgiveness is the reflection of God's love here on earth. That's what forgiveness is. It's our forgiveness that will bring the world of darkness to the light because it is the reflection of God's love here. Oh, that's pretty awesome back there. It is your forgiveness that lets you recognize the light in which you see. And we'll go to lesson 44 for that, and which told us God is the light in which I see, lesson 44, that in order to see, you must recognize that light is within, not without. I am the light of the world, and I carry that light with me. Forgiveness is my function as having that light within. Forgiveness is the demonstration that you are the light of the world. Through your forgiveness does the truth about yourself return to your memory. This is a course in remembering. We know this. We know this. We've simply forgotten it. Therefore, in your forgiveness lies your salvation/freedom. I cannot be free if I do not forgive, because I will be holding on to grievances and judgments, and that will keep me and the one that I believe they're really for me, in prison. That will keep me bound and bound to this world. I will be in bondage. The next paragraph says, illusions about yourself and the world are one. Every illusion that I have, and I think it's about the world, is really about me. There is no separation in my illusions between me and the world. That is why all forgiveness is a gift to yourself. And in lesson 46, we were told, as you condemn only yourself, so do you forgive only yourself, which is why the illusions about myself and the world are indeed one. Your goal is to find out who you are, having denied your identity, big I there, by attacking creation and its creator. I have been attacking. It's my attack thoughts that are binding me, holding me to this world. My attack thoughts are showing me a meaningless world. That's even another one. Denied your identity, big I, by attacking creation and its creator. Now you are learning how to remember the truth, for this attack must be replaced by forgiveness so that thoughts of life may replace thoughts of death. And it's just a thought. Remember that in every attack you call upon your own weakness, while each time you forgive, you call upon the strength of Christ in you. And lesson 47 was, God is the strength in which I trust. I can trust in that strength, and in trusting in that strength, I can certainly forgive, knowing I am being led to where I need to be. Do you not then begin to understand that what forgiveness will do for you? What will forgiveness truly do for me? Well, it will remove all sense of weakness, strain, and fatigue from my mind. It will take away all fear and guilt and pain. It will restore the invulnerability and power God gave his Son to your awareness, to my awareness. Lesson 26, my attack thoughts are attacking my invulnerability. I am really invulnerable. I really have the strength of God. I really have the ability to love, and I am in the mind of God. But all of the characteristics, all of the attributes of my Father that He has given me, I lose when I believe in attack thoughts that attack who I am, that big I identity. Let us be glad to begin and end this day, just as we practiced yesterday in the morning and at night before we go to bed, to practice today's idea and to use it as frequently as possible throughout the day. It will help to make the day, love this, as happy for you as God wants you to be. God wants His children to be happy, and it will help those around you as well as those who seem to be far away in space and time to share this happiness with you. It only feels and we only believe that we are far away from our brothers and our sisters, that they are away in space and in time. But space and time is truly under the direction of our elder brother, and there is no separation. So it might seem that they are far away, but they, like God, are as close to us as our next breath and certainly as our next thought. Then as often as you can today, closing your eyes, if possible, say to yourself, forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. I will fulfill my function. I would fulfill my function. I want to fulfill my function that I may be happy. And then devote a minute or two considering what our function is and the happiness and the release that we will receive. Then again, now it's saying, let related thoughts come freely for your heart. Come freely, for your heart will recognize these words, and in your mind is the awareness that they are true. We're bringing together our mind and our heart. There is no separation there either. We cannot just know this course. We cannot just feel this course. We have to blend our mind and our heart together so that we truly understand this course. It is to be felt. It is to be understood. We must bring mind and heart together for that success. And then should your attention wander, repeat the idea for today. Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. I would fulfill my function that I may be happy. And then I would remember this because I want to be happy. So there was a lot there. I hope it made sense. You know, I'm always asking that, and I do appreciate the answers that I receive. So please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please smile, knowing that God wants us to be happy. That's a very good news idea. And breathe this in, release everything that is not, and smile and breathe. And again, just pray for this awareness to come to all of us as soon as possible. Namaste.